Chapter 5, Legal Descriptions. Legal descriptions are essential for identifying any parcel of property in such a specific manner that the description is acceptable in a court of law. The following are the basic methods used in legal descriptions. 1. Metes and bonds description. 2. Rectangular survey, also called government survey. 3. Map and plat description, also known as lot and block description. Metes and bonds descriptions. Metes and bonds descriptions are the oldest form of legal descriptions used in the United States. Formal metes and bonds. The formal metes and bonds survey uses a permanent man-made monument that is placed in the ground by the surveyor at one corner of the parcel. Distance and descriptions. Distances are measured in feet, usually to meet the nearest tenth or 100th of a foot. Preparing a metes and bonds description. In preparing a metes and bonds description, we simply add the distance to our directional points. Rectangular survey. The ordinance divided the land into townships of 36 square miles and then divided each township into 36 sections of 1 square miles each. This system of description is known as rectangular survey or government survey. Meridians and baselines. The rectangular survey is based on imaginary north through south lines called meridians, which are parallel to the longitudinal lines, and west through east lines called baselines. Ranges and township lines. Range lines. The range lines run north and south, but they measure the space east and west of the principal meridian. Every 6 miles parallel to the baseline, there are east and west lines called township lines. These strips, also called tiers, measure the space north and south. And that is the ranges and township lines. Correction lines and government checks. Due to the curvature of Earth, it is necessary to make corrections every 24 miles on the meridian lines. To accomplish this, guide meridians and standard parallels were established every 24 miles. These 24-mile squares are called government checks. They each contain 16 townships. Sections. Townships are divided into sections as follows. Each township has 36 sections. Each section is 1 square mile and contains 640 acres. Section in a township are always numbered in the same way, with section number 1 in the northeast corner and section number 36 in the southeast corner. The township pictured below is designated as map and plat descriptions. The rectangular survey system is not suitable for description of small properties in urban areas. The map and plat description, also known as lot and block survey, is a preferred method. A plat is a survey that shows the location and boundaries of individual properties, dedicated streets, parks, and so on. All developers who subdivide tracts of land into 6 or more parcels, each containing fewer than 36 acres, must file a subdivision plat map with the Arizona Department of Real Estate before any parcels can be sold. A surveyor or land engineer divides the plat into lots, streets, and blocks. Each block is given a number. The surveyor then assigns each lot a number and notes the dimensions and exact size of each lot. The plat map usually also includes the surveyor's name, the owner's name, the date of the survey, and the date of approval. When all subdivision requirements have been met, the Arizona Department of Real Estate will give you approval and issue a public report. The plat map will then be recorded in the county where the property is located and given a name and page number in the recorder's map block. Terms related to legal descriptions. Air lots consist of area-specific elevation boundaries over a parcel of land. These support foundations are called caissons. Datum is a point of reference to which heights and depths are referred. A benchmark is a brass marker embedded in a road or permanently attached to a tree or iron post to give the elevation based on the official datum.